We'll first see what is British Flag Theorem, then its proof, and then we'll solve our question. So British Flag Theorem states that in a rectangle, if we'll select a point randomly inside the rectangle and join it with all the four vertices of the rectangle, let's take the length of the line segments as A, B, C, D. Then the relation between them is given by British Flag Theorem, which states that the line segment from the opposite vertices we are taking first, that's B square plus D square. This is equals to A square plus C square. Even if this point, instead of inside the rectangle, it lies outside the rectangle, then still this theorem holds true. In fact, if this point is lying in a space forming a 3D shape of a pyramid, then also the theorem holds true. Let's see the proof of British Flag Theorem. So from the point which we have selected inside the rectangle, we are drawing a vertical line parallel to the height of the rectangle and a horizontal line parallel to the length of the rectangles. And these lengths of the line segments, we are calling this length as W, the remaining length as X, vertically upward length is Y, and the downward length this is Z. Now as these lines are parallel, so here this particular length will be W, and same way down below this length will be W. And as this length is X, so above this length will be X and below this is X. Now let's take this particular rectangle. Now this is a right angle triangle. So in this triangle, applying Pythagoras theorem, we'll get W square plus Y square is D square. Now similarly, we'll apply in this triangle, we'll apply Pythagoras theorem. So we'll get X square plus Z square is B square. If we'll add these two equations, we'll get W square plus X square plus Y square plus Z square is B square plus D square. Now similarly, instead of these two triangles, so if we'll take this triangle here, so in this particular triangle, we apply Pythagoras theorem. So we'll get X square plus Y square is C square. And if we'll take this triangle, so here in this particular triangle, we apply Pythagoras, so W square plus Z square is A square. Adding these two equations, we'll get W square plus X square plus Y square plus Z square is A square plus C square. Now in these two equations, the LHS on both sides is same. So the RHS have to be equal, and thus we are getting B square plus D square is A square plus C square. And this is what we had to prove. So let's solve our question. Let's solve our original question. So instead of B we have 11 and D we have X, A and C instead of that we have 9 and 7. So putting the values, we get 11 square plus X square is 9 square plus 7 square. 11 square is 121 plus X square is 81 plus 49. Solving it, X square is 9 and thus X is 3 centimeter, and that's our answer. I hope you enjoyed the solution. I'll see you in next video. Till then, tata, bye bye.